Let me show you the BurButler, how we use it for implant restorative kit. Here I'm using a 60-hole BurButler as an implant kit. On here I've arranged a selection of diamond and latch grip pairs, and I have hex drivers, and keep the long driver and a short driver for the hex, and the square I have on another row, and here I've got a selection of drivers for various implant systems that I keep on the same block. I've got my torque driver and an adapter in here, and this can all be kept in one neat little package, standing up so you can see what's where, and you can pouch this and have it ready for presentation when the patient comes in.